So what I'd like to do now is to introduce you to our outdoor access point. So holding in my hand right now, I have this model called the 7762. The 7762 is designed with a 3x3 Omni, but 2 spatial streams. And this is a IP67 rated casing, so it's waterproof and it will perform in extreme temperatures, either very high or in near freezing temperature of minus 40 degrees Celsius. The 7762 has been a very popular access point because first of all it is built very robustly and very light in weight. This is less than 2.2 kilogram by itself. And here you see over here is that this is also installed with a external 5 GHz antenna, both vertical and dual polarized. This is used to extend the range should you require to do meshing on the outdoor. Okay, otherwise the access point is actually domed downwards, so that when you mount it on the pole on the tall side, it provides omni coverage towards the ground. The 7762 family also comes with two different models. One being a omnidirectional and the other one being a sectorized access point with a 120-degree sector focus. Okay, that is primarily used if you decided that it's not an omni location that you're going to be deploying and you need to focus on a specific angle. The 120 degree is going to come in very helpful. Okay, coming down here, this is our new family of 11N outdoor. Okay, this is called the 7782, except that this has more models. Instead of 2, we have 3 now. So first of all, it has a omnidirectional model, and it also has a 120-degree sector, and it also comes with another model new to the family. Is called the 7782N, which stands for narrow. So when it's narrow means that instead of 120 degrees, it goes down to 30 degrees. So this is mounted in a direction where it's much higher in height and you need it to focus a lot more on the specific location. That will be the choice. So the mounting options of this AP is very flexible. It comes with what we call the flexible mounting kit. Allows you to adjust at different angles of your requirement, mounted on any poles that you have. All right, as compared to the 7762, you can only tilt downwards and upwards, whereas the 7782 are designed to be able to swivel in much more directions, and depending on your complexity of the outdoor spaces, this mounting kit is a lot different as compared to the 7762s. Over here, this is our point-to-point bridge, otherwise also known as the 7731s. This is a 2x2 Omni, 2 spatial stream, but operating specifically only on 5 GHz instead of dual band. The point-to-point bridge, the advantage is that if you decided to, have connectivity between 2 separate buildings without the need of pulling fiber across to each other, the bridge is very useful. And because it's on 5 GHz band, and inside it, the antenna has been narrowed down to 30 degrees. Okay, so you can have a bridge connectivity between a distance of 5 to 10 kilometers, and even further, let's say up to 15 kilometers, if you want to make use of the external antenna panel to narrow the beam further. What is unique about this 7731 also is that it comes to a very unique design whereby we even come up with an aiming button, so the installer has a much easier way of aligning the positions of the point-to-point bridge by using the aiming button, and you can see the LED indications on the back that so the higher the light goes, it shows that the alignment is actually perfect. So this is becoming popular, especially in areas where you have resorts or villa, right? And they are especially out into the sea or where you don't have fiber that you can go to a longer distance, a point-to-point bridge is helpful, where you can complement with your outdoor deployment. So as you can see, this is an example. You may have a point-to-point bridge that is installed to point to a specific direction, to your main building, and then you can have a cable that runs within over here. As you can see, there is a Ethernet output that comes here that you can power up your outdoor access point. So to form wireless coverage in a longer distance, right? So this is how you distribute Wi-Fi in an outdoor environment.